So I told you in the first video about the input, about the different type of units that are present in the computer hardware system. So what is input unit? So we can see input unit are the unit that we can input into the computer. Through keyboard you can input letters and numbers, through mouse you can select, and many other are there. Through mouse, then light pen, then trackball. Through light pen you can draw in the screen, through trackball you can play, through joystick is there, consists of several vertical sticks. Graphic tablet is there, you can draw in the graphic tablet. Scanner is there, you can scan and input the pictures or image in the computer. Digital camera is there, you can input the picture. So these all are about input unit. Magnetic ink character reader. So among this input unit, two or three I will tell you. This all you have get earlier. So now magnetic ink character reader. Human readable character are printed on document like check. So in the check, in the down part you can see black color, some words are written. They are called magnetic ink character reader. The device will read the letter and you can know what amount and what is the check details. So these all are magnetic ink character reader. Read this character by examining their state. This technology is called magnetic ink character reader, that is MICR. Optical character reader. An optical character reader is capable of detecting alphabetical and numerical on the page type on the handwritten text. So optical OMR sheet, you are circling the words that are not checked by the humans, it is checked by the computer. This is called optical character reader. OMR reader also same. OMR sheet reader, this is the same. You can see this is the OMR sheet, it is given here. Like this balls will be there, you have to circle, and this will be read by the computer. So now barcode reader, you can see different type of shopping mall. When you will go there and you can see there that some small barcodes are there. You can see in back of this book also, you can see here, let's see, this is the barcode. This is the barcode you have seen. This can be read. So this is also an input device. So barcode reader is also an input device. Touch screen mobile is also, we can input various type of image, text, etc. Microphone also input device. It is inputting voice signal from audio to you can hear in the machine. So microphone convert human speech into electrical signal. It is converted into the electrical signal, and this single pattern is transmitted to the computer. A speech recognition software matches it with pre-stored pattern known as vocabulary. So we can change our voice to electrical signals. So central processing unit. First, in the hardware, what things are there? Input device. In the input device, what are the things are there? So newly you have got OMR, optical character reader, MICR, magnetic ink character reader, barcode reader. This all you are getting, and microphone. What are the? It convert human speech to electrical signal. Next, central processing unit. Processing unit consists of arithmetic logical unit, control unit, register, data bus, address bus, control bus. So these all are there in the central processing unit. Arithmetic logical unit, all calculation and comparison are made in this unit. The ALU perform arithmetic and logical unit, that is plus, minus, into, divide, and greater than and smaller than symbols are also there. So next you see control unit. In the control unit you can see whole the computer system is controlled in the CPU, that is called control unit. From the register, what is register? This is high speed temporary storage area found in the modern CPU. Register work under direction of the control unit. So register gets the direction from the control unit and then he works. So these are the these parts are connected to the rest of the computer, that is buses. Buses means where wires or circuitry carrying electrical signals. So these all are connected. Data bus, it carries data from memory CPU, from the CPU to the memory. Memory to the CPU, again CPU to the memory. Means like modulate and demodulate. It is taken from the CPU and given back to the CPU. Data bus, it carries memory. Address bus, it carries address from the CPU to the memory, from the CPU to the memory. Control bus is carry instruction between CPU and other parts of the computer. So it is like a nerve system. It gives taken from the CPU to the other parts of the body, means CPU to the other parts of the body. Storage unit, what are the storage unit? Primary storage, so where data can be ready to be accessed and workspace area is hold to the data, and output storage to be held in the final and program. So these all are about the primary storage. Primary storage means in the computer itself how much GB is there is the storage, it is called primary storage. Then RAM is there, ROM is there, random access memory, ROM is there. So secondary memory is there. Secondary memory, what is secondary memory? You can using a pen drive or this or CD, these all are called secondary memory. So next video I will explain you about the memories of the computer.